guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari. Y'all know what to do. You know what to do. In today's video, we will be reviewing the new Colourpop 1111 palette. Before we get into this palette, I am going to go ahead and show you the color story. So this is what the 1111 palette looks like. Just the names of the palette look amazing to me. Total Angel, Manifested, Good Thoughts. I mean, yes, we all need the good thoughts, especially here lately. Inflation, hun. Inflation. That's the subject. All of these names, so cute, so on trend. I love the way this packaging looks. So looking at this palette, it's not giving much excitement really. It's kind of boring, kind of blah when you look at it, but looking at the swatches look amazing. I love the range of shades that we get. We get something super light down to all the way super dark. You guys know I love a dark look, and I always say that palettes don't really give us enough to work with, but this one definitely did. Also with the palette, I did pick up all 4 lip shades. I will list the names below each shade because honestly I forgot. They are all different shades of brown, but they are all absolutely gorgeous. Very, very cute. So let's go ahead and dive right into this palette. We are definitely doing a darker moody type of look. Definitely on trend with what's going on right now. A lot of people are wearing like that mocha look, which I'm kind of feeling we can get something like that. It's definitely not a super exciting palette, don't get me wrong. I'm not super overly excited about it, but I do think that maybe it's one that we can, you know, come to know and love. Anything that has anything to do with like angel numbers or manifesting things, I'm all for it at this point. We need to try everything at this point. It is getting real out here. Girl, the aliens are coming. Let's go ahead and start off in this shade right here. This is Protection. It's very cute, like a mauve tone. So I'm gonna start with that in the crease. And this is definitely giving pastel mauve. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I know for a fact there's something else on this brush. It is not fully clean, so we're getting like a portion of the shade and a little bit of something else. So this shade is just a transition shade, so I'm not too worried about it. I need to make sure I grab a clean brush next time because, girl, embarrassing. How did Drake say that?
Embarrassing.
How he hit it so high. For our next shade, and I did make sure this brush is clean. I checked. Let's go ahead and go into, go into the shade right here, The Right Path. Are we on the right path today? Who knows? While I'm blending this in, y'all, I want to express some frustration that I have. I ordered the new Glam Light Ghost Face collection, and I ordered it with rush shipping so I can make sure that I had that screen mirror, the Ghost Face mirror, because I thought it'd be super cute to use throughout October, right? Why my package hasn't shipped yet? And I paid for express shipping and you still haven't sent my package? Love, what's going on? Where's my tracking? Why are you pissing me off on the Lord's Day? It's not Sunday where I'm at, y'all, but I was listening to Doja Cat earlier. So this shade is actually looking, that's looking really good. That's looking really, really good. These shades are blending together very well. It's definitely giving us the Colourpop quality we love, not the stuff that needs to be put on the back shelf for the rest of its life. Now, what I think I did whenever I told you guys that brush was dirty, I think I actually stuck my brush in perfect harmony down here because that's what it looked like. It looked like these 2 shades mixed together, which I mean, what are we gonna do now? Nothing, but also it doesn't look terrible, so moving on. It turns out we might have actually used 3 shades just now instead of 2. So far we've used Protection, probably Perfect Harmony, a little bit unsure, and Right Path. So next, let's go into the shade right here. We're just going darker and darker. Empowered. Look at this shade right here. Look at that. They have like little wings. Little wings. That's so cute to me. I love when they put little designs in our stuff. That's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna take this small, this is an e.l.f. small blender because we getting dark. We getting real dark real quick. So let's go ahead and go into this one. I'm gonna keep it on the lower end. And yes, honey, this is definitely about as dark as we're gonna go. The other shade, we might just have to use it underneath the lash line because yeah, we're getting pretty deep. So far so good. I'm loving the way that this is coming out. I love a nice dark look, like a nice spooky girl, you don't know if I'm a witch or not type of look. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a crease. I wasn't going to at first, but now I'm feeling like I should because we are kind of dark. A little bit more dark than what I was going for the day. So let's go ahead and cut the crease and then we'll move on to some lid shades. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, like how I did that, cut it. Okay, so I'm wondering, should we give it a basic look or should we do something kind of spicy? I don't know. Let's go with basic. Yeah, let's not get too crazy. Let's go into the shade right here. This is Good Thoughts. We're gonna use this as our lid color. I say basic, but this is like really cute, glam, daytimey look. And things have been going well so far. Like, y'all, it took me no time to cut my crease. Sometimes when I know a look is gonna go bad, it takes me like literally all day, and it took me no time today. It was great. So I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out this outer corner. I'm going back into the shade The Right Path to blend it out. And that right there is looking bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb.
On an airplane. Bomb, 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 bomb.
So let's use this shade right. I don't know. Let's swatch these again because I don't know which shade I'm gonna use. Yeah, we're definitely let's go ahead and use this shade right here. This is Balance. We're gonna use this as our inner corner highlight for the day. Put some up here on our brow. Now that I'm looking at this, this is kind of basic, y'all. It is kind of basic, so I kind of want to do something else. Yeah, I just have to swatch it to double check. So we're gonna use some of this Reflect on here. I was hesitant to use it because it is a darker glitter, but I think if we just kind of put it on, hang on, I'm done with that chunky stuff. Just going to put it on like right here. Just a little bit extra. Just a little bit of something. Okay, now look at me messing up stuff because now it looks kind of patchy right there where I just put the glitter. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Good Thoughts, back over it, and then I'm gonna try to use a brush this time and go back with that gold glitter Reflect because I really just want it like right here on this corner. That way it doesn't impact the look too much. Okay, that works out fine. You'll see how whenever you do your makeup a certain way, how it just kind of lifts your eye, because if you look at this eye, it looks like lifted. Even like the eye looks smaller versus this eye. The power of makeup is real. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same on the other side. Okay, so this is how the eye look is looking so far. So far, so good. I'm actually loving it. This is actually something really cute, really quick, very easy to do. So, you know, you're a beginner here. This is great for you. Great news. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some liner, just like a small little bit of liner, because I don't want nothing too crazy. So before I finish off this eye look with lashes, I definitely want to use this shade right here, Divine, under my lash line. And this shade right here, it is like a dark brown, like the darkest brown, but it looks like it has flakes of silver or blue in it, like blue glitter or silver glitter. I can't really figure out which one it actually is, but that is, oh, I need to wash my hand off before I get this on me. That is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. It is a very, very pretty shade. You will definitely be seeing this palette again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes and finish my face makeup. I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on the Colourpop 1111 palette. 1111. 1111.
A few moments later.
Alright, you guys, so this is the final look with liner lashes completely done. I've been trying to figure out which lipstick it was that I used from the collection. I really don't know, but I do, wait, I was gonna say I do know which liner, but I don't know that either. Honey, what is this? We need all imperfections covered. Yeah. Hello. Let's get it together. So I cannot for the life of me figure out which lip shade it was that I used today, but I do remember that I used the lip liner with it because I thought it was too light. But in the end, it all came together so cute. If you don't have any of the nude or brown or mocha lip shades, which I kind of feel like is what the trend is nowadays, especially after Miss Hailey Bieber came out with her brownie lip or whatever it was called, whatever she thinks she made up. But you know, if you know, you know, she ain't made that up. But yeah, this is the final look, y'all. It's definitely giving daytime baddie, especially with my little headband, y'all. I'm really into these headbands now because my ears are covered and they are warm. This palette overall is definitely giving more than what you think it would because it does look super basic, super plain. We've seen it all before, but I don't know. I really like it. I'm really into it. I feel like this is one that I'll be grabbing often. And yeah, I think that if you're gonna have a Colourpop haul, might as well grab it. Might as well grab it. In the next video, we will be reviewing the new Sailor Moon collection. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe with your bell notifications on because Miss Sailor Moon and her baddie friends are back. They're back with part 2. So we will be reviewing that next. I cannot stop singing that theme song. Fighting evil by moonlight, winning love by daylight, never running from